Munna Kumar is here and welcome to the Digital Flow YouTube channels. Today we will discuss new websites of IRCTC for CSC VLE has been launched by CSC and now working fine. But how it will working? What is the process of bookings and where I will find my booking tickets, how I will cancel my booked tickets, etc. We will discuss in the videos. First of all, I have logged my IRCTC agent accounts from CSC in the regular portals. Here saying booking not allowed as your accounts has been suspended, means they are saying your account has been suspended, so you cannot book any more ticket from the old websites. Now it is a matters how we will book IRCTC tickets, where and how. So we will see how we will book Indian Railway tickets from IRCTC CSC VLE agent ID. So first of all we will log into CSC digital portals as it is the regular process, you are knowing very well. So first of all we will log in CSC, then we have to book one tickets from the new IDs. I will show you how it will book and what is the process of bookings. As we all are knowing, when we are logging CSC agent ID for booking railway tickets, there is a requirement your user ID, passwords and OTP will come to registered Aadhaar mobile numbers before of the booking process. Now systems has been changed. Now if you will book tickets, I will show you how it's changed. So in the search bar I have typed IRCTC, then before long only 2 option is showing here. Now total 6 option is showing. Whatever option of above 4 you will click, you will go to the same website. Now I have click on one options, I will redirect to the another new pages. Here CSC, this URL I will put in the descriptions so you can come easily. Now I have come on the new portal of IRCTC railbooking.csccloud.in. This is a new URL for all India CSC VLE for booking tickets. So now I have successfully come on the website. Now I will logged. Here options I have to tick marks all the regulations for the conditions. Now proceed to login. Here we will proceed. After proceed we will successfully log into the portals. Here 2 options showing. One option is book train tickets and another option is check PNR status. Here you can also check the PNR status. Here we have to put 10 digit PNR number, then click on search. You will find your status of PNR number. Now we will see how it will take booking. So here is the two option come from to. From, we will click on from. I have to give the choice to enter your railway station's name where you have to start the travels. So here I will put any one cities of India like SBC. I have, it is the code of KSR Bengaluru. So SPC is the code of Bengaluru. Here I have put, and next destinations means we have to go to the another place like Mumbai. So here I will type Mumbai. Here so many options, two stations is coming, Mumbai Central and Mumbai Central both, but I will select any one. Here travel date, we have to choose travel date, which date I will travel from the given names. I have to here choose the classes, which class I want to book, sleeper, AC chair car, AC third three tier ACs. So I will put choose any one, and here only 3 quota is allowed: general, ladies and tatkal. Another quotas you can't booking from this CSC VLE agents ID. Only 3 quotas we can book for this railway ID, CSC VLE agent IDs. So I will choose only generals. Then we will click on search train. Here all trains between the stations will show train number, train name, and here timing, start timing and end timing, means time of start the trains and arriving or timings. So this like so, and here so run on, this is the first letter of 7 days. Here class showing 2S sleepers, 3 tier AC, 2 tier AC and single AC, and this is the extras bogie. So we will check whatever I want to book quotas and class. First of all I will check for only for just a checking sleepers. Here we will call, here we will click, and I will get the next 7 days booking status. Here showing waiting list, here also waiting list, here reservation against cancellations, also here reservation against cancellation. Here 26th and 27th it is the confirm ticket showings. So I have select one confirm tickets, 27/7 to 2022, and we will press for OK. When we will click on OK, the new page will be come. Here I have to put passenger details, boarding. Do you want to change the boardings? Boarding, it is the, if you have booked the tickets from SBC Bangalore to Mumbai, if in case of any other regions you want to change the boardings, so here you have to mention boarding. Either you can select no, you will go next. Here the passenger mobile number showings, you have to put the name of passenger mobile number, and destination address is the enables for booking this. And on the railway regulars IDs, mean in the another language we can say the old IDs has been suspended for the destination details, but here asking for destinations, we will put the destinations. Next we will click on the yes for insurance purpose. I will take the insurance and continue for booking. So I will put the any dummy name. I will titles, their name, age. I will put anyone. I have to select the genders and country is the same. One option here added, you have to click on add passengers. After clicking on add passengers, you will get for next process. Another you will not go to the next process. Here I have selected, and next procedure is the mobile number. I will put any other mobile number for the bookings. So I will put one numbers like any numbers, dummy number. I have to put the destinations. So I will put here the Mumbai. I am going to book for Mumbai destinations. Here correspondence address. Here also you can put either. Here I have to put pin code. I have put any one pin code of Mumbai. Next I will click on mobile number is not matching. So click on continue. You will get the details of your bookings. Please confirm one times and click on pay. If you will click on pay, you will redirect to your wallets. If payment in your wallet is sufficient, then you can go for the payments. Either you can't pay, I will show the next process for how it will payments and how it will be processed to book the tickets. Now I have clicked on the payments pay. So we will go to the IRCTC CSC wallets IDs. There we have to make the payments. So we have to put our CSC wallet CSC passwords. After putting the passwords, we will put our CSC wallet pin. So you are all are knowing very well what is the process of payment of from CSC wallets. So we will put and click on pay for paying ticket booking amounts. So I have clicked on payments. Now our payment will get successful. So here new process has been added for CSC VLE. What is the process? Here is the user ID. It is the new user ID for every CSC VLE. Old ID we cannot use here, and password here is the short. You have to put the old passwords which you are using for the earlier IRCTC websites. So you have to put OTP you will get on the registered mobile ID. Here you will get the every time new OTP for new ticket bookings. Earlier we are booking unlimited tickets on the one time logins. So here options has been changed and new options has been added for the services. Then you have to put the captchas and you have to finally click on submit. So it is the we are not booking these tickets, so I will click on cancels, and I will show where your ticket will go after bookings and how it will cancels, either how you can print these tickets. I will show all the things. you know I have shown everything in this video process for bookings, and again I will show the all ticket where will saved and how we will take printout, and how it will be cancellation. So let's start. After your successful fully booking of your tickets, you will get your ticket details here. Last transactions of your booking will be show like this, where you have books, your PNR number and name of passengers. If you will click view all, then you can see the all the transaction of your IRCTC booking tickets in the digital seva. And if you want to also check, here is the one of the options, booking history. So you have to click here, and after clicking you will show all your booking history of your tickets. If you want to print your tickets, you have to click here print tickets, then you will get all the prints of your tickets, and it is the cancel tickets. If you want to cancel your tickets, you have to click in this portions. After that you will get your detail of tickets. You have to select which tickets you want to cancels. After that you will get finally your cancels. How you will get your refunds and where you have to put the OTP, I will show in the next video. Also I will put the URL and links of OTP verifications of your cancellation tickets, and here it is the one of the best options. You will get your refunds and get your failed transactions amount in the same day of you in your wallet. It is the changes of this tickets. So thank you, and I hope you will like this video. Please like and subscribe this channels.